Hello, today we create a JavaScript program that checks two integers. Our goal is to return true if one of the numbers is 15 or if the sum or difference is 15. The program will check three conditions: if either number is 15, if the sum is 15, or if the difference is 15. Here is the function test number, which takes two parameters, x and y. Using logical operators, it checks if either number is 15, if the sum is 15, or if the difference is 15. This function performs three logical checks in order. First, if either number equals 15, then if the sum equals 15, and finally, if their difference equals 15. In this example, one of the numbers is 15, so the function returns true. Here, the second number is 15, which also satisfies our condition, so we get true. In this case, the sum of 7 and 8 is 15, so the function correctly returns true. In this example, the difference between 25 and 10 is 15, which also meets our condition, so the function returns true. This is our ES6 version using arrow function syntax, which keeps the logic the same but with a more concise style. In summary, this function quickly evaluates various conditions, allowing us to return true if any of the specified conditions are met. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.